What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Incredible Joe, and I'm back at it again with another video. As you can see, man, another rainy, cloudy day here in Atlanta, Georgia, man. It will not clear up, bro. I think it's supposed to be sunny later on towards the weekend and all that kind of stuff. So I'm bringing you a video that I've been waiting to bring you for a minute now. It's gonna be my second mod, my first, I guess, performance mod, I guess you could say. Because the first thing I did to this car when I first bought it was I did a mid-muffler delete. That was like the second day I had the car. That video is still on my channel. Go back and check that out as well, because you can see what the car sounded like before I got the mid-muffler delete done. But today is a very special day. Yes, it's a very special day. You know what I'm saying? It's a very special day with Kratos. Today, we're unboxing my pedal commander. That's right. I finally went and bought the pedal commander. Why did I buy the pedal commander? I don't know. Why did Incredible Joe buy the pedal commander? The reason I bought the pedal commander is because I did a video with a subscriber here in Atlanta who has become a good friend of mine named Brian. He's been in some other videos there with me with the Camaro. And now you can go back and watch those videos as well, because he put a pedal commander on his car. And after I drove that car with the pedal commander, I told him, bro, I'm going to get this. I got to get it, because it doesn't really boost your power or your torque. It just gives you everything that you have like that. Or you can swap it down to eco mode and you can start driving like a Honda Civic, which we did, because I put it to the floor and it wouldn't go nowhere. I'm not even joking. It felt just like a Honda Civic. No, my fiance has one. But I bought it to put on my Scatpack Challenger 2018 because it has a little bit more power. I want to know what it's gonna feel like on the street. Now, as you can tell, this is not the weather to be driving your car in with a pedal commander going, you know, straight dummy, and you know what I'm saying, with 485 horsepower, give or take, whatever it is to the wheels. You know what it is. If you don't, you don't. If you do. You know, congratulations. But on the first sunny day I get, I'm gonna do a review of what the pedal commander feels like when I put it, you know what I'm saying, to the top levels and to the low levels as well. Today, all I'm gonna do is put it on. I'm gonna show you what it look like and all that kind of stuff, because like I said, it's raining and I don't want to spoil it. You know what I'm saying? When I drive it myself, I want it to be like, you know what I'm saying, and I want to give you all the same authentic reaction as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this pedal commander, please. Now we up inside Kratos, man. Like I said, it's mighty cold outside. It's like 41, 39 degrees, something like that. It's been raining all day, like I said. But what we're about to do, we're gonna go ahead and yes sir, man, we got the pedal commander right here. Look at how it's supposed to look. This is what the box will come in. Now the company, I guess it's called Pedal Commander, or the website is called Pedal Commander. I bought this off of Amazon, so I'm really ready to see if it's worth it for my car. I know it felt like on his. The Pedal Commander itself costs like $300, I believe. So there you go. But let's go ahead and unbox this up real quick. Go ahead and do that, man. I had to step out the car real quick. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the lighting like inside the car. One hand action, you know how we do. Go ahead and see what it looks like. You get these right here. I don't even know what this is. It feels squishy though, so check that out. And it's Bluetooth, so it actually connects to your phone. I didn't know that. I thought it was like I thought the remote was the Bluetooth part, not the phone. I guess you gotta like download the app for it. Let me see. Yeah. Hey, there you go. That's what it look like right there. Got your little connectors, boom. Got your little remote, boom, with your sport +4s and +1s and 2s and 3s and Bluetooth and stuff. And go ahead and walk to the car. Now, I don't know what the lighting is like when you guys watch this, but this is where it's at. Let me get my phone out real quick so I can kind of show you what's going on. Let's see. So this is where it's gonna go up under here. Now, how you supposed to do it, I really don't know. I'm gonna kind of wing it. I was gonna watch a video on it and kind of check it out. Let me see. I'd imagine you take this off, because in order to get to the plug that you need to connect the connector into, it's up under here, right? Or I may be wrong. You know what? I'm gonna check out the video and I'm gonna get right back to you guys. All right, y'all. As you can see, man, I got my hoodie on. It's getting kind of cold out here. So this is what you do, right? The bottom pedal that was down here, you take this off, and it's a little clip to the pedal that go into this right here, right? And take it down here. Sorry for the light, but that light show you where you really want to be. I don't know if I can see it. Let me see. This is where the clips are right there. These two of them. So when you clip one in, You want to take the other one and clip back into the factory, or what you call it. I'm sorry, I'm saying one and that and this. I don't know the names for it, but that's where you clip it into right there. There's 2 clips that you want to run behind there. So when you clip that up, you want to take this one right here. Goddamn, my bad. Once again, you want to take this one and plug it back into the panel. I'm gonna do that right now. Let me see. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna click back on when I get this plugged up. Alright, y'all. I apologize for the terrible video quality, but like I said, it's cloudy outside, been overcast all day, no sun. I barely knew what I was doing, but we got it hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in here and show you what it looked like real quick. You know what I'm saying? I gotta figure out a way to tie it up down at the bottom. But this is what it looked like right here. You know, so I guess let me see. Yeah, it's on. That's it. You see right there? You got your city mode, your sport plus, and all that kind of stuff, man. Like I said, let me see, man. Since it's on, let me see if it's really working. You know what I'm talking about? Do the RPM test real quick. All right, let's see. It's not on. Okay. Put it in city. Put it in sport. Sport plus. Oh yeah. Oh snap. Let me see. I'm gonna put it in sport, city plus 4. Sport 4 plus 4. I think what it's called. Oh yes. Sport plus 4. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hey, no cap. Wait till the first Sunday day. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna cut up. I'm gonna act the fool. I ain't gonna do it today. I'm gonna wait. Cause when I get out here, I want to be dry. I'm trying to get. Man, hey, stay tuned for the next video, baby. It's Incredible Joe. Like, subscribe, comment, share, the notification bell. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.